Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Subaru Impreza louder full guide. Start by checking your current exhaust, noting leaks, restrictions, and legal noise limits before ordering parts. Think about the tone you want and how often you drive near neighbors. I'll walk you through bolt-on mods, mid-pipe choices, and tuning basics so you can make decisions that match sound, reliability, and budget without surprise regrets. Start with simple bolt-ons that give big changes without heavy labor. Swap the muffler for a performance unit to brighten or deepen the tone, and consider a high-flow catalytic converter or test pipe only if regulations permit. Resonator delete adds rasp, but expect more cabin drone on highways. These steps are reversible or partly reversible and let you experiment with sound before committing to custom fabrication or full exhaust swaps. For a bigger, more refined sound, move to mid-pipe or full cat-back systems designed for the Impreza. Proper ECU tuning prevents popping, running lean, and can improve throttle response alongside sound changes. Address heat shielding, exhaust hangers, and alignment to reduce unwanted vibration and rattles. I'll explain trade-offs between raw volume and daily drivability so you can pick parts that fit your lifestyle and preserve engine health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.